As the sun sets on the quiet farm, Benny the rabbit finishes his work and gets ready to say goodnight to all his friends. He lights his lantern for the coming night and whispers, "It is time to count my friends and wish them good night." Benny whispers, "Good night, one hen." The hen clucks gently in reply. "Good night, two piglets," says Benny as they roll happily in their mud bath. "Good night, three ducklings," he whispers as the pond glows under the moon. "Good night, four cows," whispers Benny. "Sleep well beneath the stars." "Good night, five sheep," says Benny as they drift toward dreams. "Good night, six horses," whispers Benny. "Rest your strong hooves till morning." "Good night, seven goats," Benny says. "Sleep soundly, my little climbers." "Good night, eight cats," says Benny. "Dream of soft beds and warm light." "Good night, nine dogs," whispers Benny. "Guard the farm while we sleep." "Good night, ten owl," whispers Benny. "Keep watch through the quiet night." Benny smiles. "All my friends are safe and sound," he says softly. The little rabbit walks home through the glowing field, his heart full of peace. "Good night, apple tree," he whispers. "Thank you for your sweet fruit." "Home at last," he whispers. "Time to rest." Benny always keeps his things tidy before bed. "Everything in its place," he says quietly. "Good night to me," says Benny. "You have done well today." The farm is still, the stars are bright, and Benny drifts into dreams of morning light. Every friend sleeps soundly, safe beneath the moon's silver glow. 10 stars shine for 10 friends, and Benny's dream begins. Good night, little ones. Sleep tight and dream sweet. The farm will wake again with the morning sun.